Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some areas of support. Then we can talk levels of resistance. The near-term level of support, which was essentially where this consolidation area happened, was that former breakout point right there around 20.5 cents. You can see back here was that area of resistance, and now it's acting as support, and that just is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when resistance levels are broken, you want to see them act as support. Like I said, that is indeed what's exactly playing out here. In the event 20.5 cents cannot hold up, the next level you would want to turn your attention to is the 50-period moving average, which on my chart is being denoted there by that purple line. Right now valued at 19 cents, but key thing to keep in mind is that's a moving average, meaning as Wednesday and then the remainder of the week play out, that line is going to move itself. So therefore that value is going to move and change too. So you'll just have to be a little bit more proactive as a trader and keep an inventory check on what the current value of that 50-period moving average is if 20.5 cents. Now if 20.5 does not fail, then this all becomes doesn't really matter at this point. But in the event that 20.5 cents is not able to hold up on the price, then like I said, yeah, you need to get a little bit more proactive as a trader and figure out the current level of that 50-period moving average. Now in the event this is a support and the price starts to work its way back upwards, let's talk about some areas of resistance. As far as where the sellers are at, first key level right up there at 22.5 cents, and then if the price can push back up through 22, next key level after that former area of resistance right up on the makes it easy, 23.5. So 22.5, 23.5, two key near-term levels of resistance going forward. All in all, though, interesting setup going forward. And it's the price is very clearly trying to consolidate right down around this 20.5 cent mark. So we'll see if the bulls can maintain that or not going forward. But the week is young, still 3 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.